Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another trade recap. Today we did take another loss, but it's cool, right? I'm not really mad about it, right? Losses are part of trading, and as traders, every trader goes through a loss streak. It's just it just happens, right? I know my setup. I know it's profitable, so I just gotta fight through this little loss streak, and I'll be good. As you can see, account balance is at 48,936. Basically, if I lose one more trade, I do blow these 3 accounts. But I am chilling because I'll show y'all. Like, why is it in fucking calculator? I'm chilling because my return on investment really is still, like, last payout I had $1,000, right? And then I bought these 50Ks, which was $150 for the 3, because I haven't passed, so I haven't paid the activation fee yet, right? So I still have 150 left, 850 left, even if I blow these 3 accounts. So and then if I buy another set of 350Ks, boom, I'll still have 700 left. So I can just keep, I'm good, bro. Like, I have, like, my last payout, even if I blow these 50Ks, I'm chilling, bro. I'm still in profit, right? So I don't even care, to be honest with you, if I blow these. So yeah, let's get straight into the trade recap. On the daily, what I saw was price had hit the halfway point of this rally gap, basically filled it. And from that, I was leaning bearish. I went to the 4 hour, boom. Why is this not? Okay, yeah, so I went to the 4 hour. I'm gonna have to put this camera down. Shit. Alright, y'all gonna have to ignore me. Y'all not gonna see me for a little bit, but fuck it. Alright, so what I saw from the 4 hour was so this rally gap right here, as you can see, after a couple days of price action, we still haven't pushed past this 4 hour rally gap. So from that, I was leaning bearish because just because after, like, what, 3 days, we still haven't pushed past the stupid fucking train. After 3 days, we still haven't pushed past this rally gap right here. So from that, I was leaning bearish. On the 1 hour, what I saw is we did sweep these previous day highs right here, and we were inversing this for rally gap right here. So from that, I was bearish. On the 5 minute coming into the day, what I saw was, so immediately what I saw on the 5 minute, right, we had respected this for rally gap right here, and we closed below these lows right here, right? So from that, I was bearish, and also I was keeping in mind I could use this high as a stop loss because we already respected and closed below the lows, right? So I went to the 1 minute, I waited, then boom, right here. Also, another confluence was we did get this SMC of ES and micro up. Yeah, so we did get this SMC of ES and micro NASDAQ. So that was another confluence for bearish bias, and also a nice spot to set stop loss, right? Because that would have been a protected stop loss with the SMC above it. And then boom, I waited for macro. Right here, when price action was developing, I did want price to hit this rally gap during macro for me to enter shorts. Usually I don't enter trades of just price hitting of a rally gap, but because we had a SMC above it protecting it, And on a 5-minute, we already had respected these fair value gap right here. So in my head, it just wasn't going to go back up to respect it again, right? Especially with that SMT above these highs right here. So for me, price wasn't going to push past these highs. So it was safe to enter just off the tap of the fair value gap. So I waited for macro, and that was like the trade setup I had in mind right there. I waited for macro. Macro hits. Yeah, so macro hit, and then boom, when price tapped that fair value gap, I entered, and then I had a couple, I was gonna go break even once this, hold up, let me put my, I was gonna go break even once this fair value gap got inversed. You know, we got pretty close to it right here. I was like probably like 300 in profit. But, you know, it just didn't give us a chance to go break even. But, you know, I didn't trail my stop just because the SMT right there and like the order block. And, you know, for me, the stop loss was just very protected. But as you can see, I got stopped out. It is what it is. As you can see, like if I take, yeah, so right here, the reason we got stopped out here was because on ES, it had pushed to these, this fair value gap right here. So, and if ES goes up, you know, micro is going to go up too. And NASDAQ also did end up hitting these fair value gaps right here. So I guess for the day, the move was bullish. Maybe I married my bias, I don't know. To me, this was a solid trade, to be honest with you. I guess what I did wrong was, yeah, just like, you know, what I did wrong was, I don't know, to be honest with you, man. Yeah, we inversed. I guess we're just like all these, like, all this liquidity resting above these highs right here. That was just overpowering previous day lows. Yeah. And because, oh yeah, so that's what I did wrong. So these fair value gaps right here, massive 5-minute fair value gaps, and all this resting liquidity above here, that just overpowered the previous day lows, I guess. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind when we have, yeah, this is all just like relative equal highs too. So yeah, I should have aimed relative equal highs. Okay, yeah, so I learned my lesson from that. All right, and that's pretty much it for the trade recap. Like I said, even if I blow these 50Ks, I'm chilling, bro. I really don't care. I still have, if I blow these 50Ks, I'll still have like 850 left from my original profits from the payout. So fuck it, right? I still have like 9 chances to pass these 350Ks and still be in profit. So I do not give a fuck, right? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this trade recap. And yeah, I'm gonna, you know, take a shower. Usually people get ready for the day like before the trade. I'm just not a morning person, bro. Like usually I just wake up, I don't even brush my teeth, bro. I just drink coffee and then I trade. And then after that is where I get ready for the day, right? I brush my teeth, I trade, and then I record this trade recap. And then I brush my teeth, go take a shower. You know, I get ready to go to the gym. This is when I'm not working, right? I get ready to go to the gym and shit. Yeah, I'm just not a like morning person, but yeah, I'm gonna get ready now, go to the gym. Today's legs, so wish me luck. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.